Transportation around the world. Transportation is fundamental to modern life, enabling global commerce, cultural exchange, and personal mobility. Throughout history, humans have consistently sought more efficient ways to traverse distances, evolving from rudimentary footpaths and animal-drawn carts to the sophisticated networks we rely on today. Currently, a diverse array of options exists, catering to varying needs and geographical constraints. While road transport, encompassing cars, buses, and trucks, remains dominant for shorter journeys and local distribution, rail systems offer a comparatively sustainable alternative for medium-distance travel, particularly in densely populated regions like Europe and Japan. The convenience and accessibility of personal vehicles often outweigh the environmental benefits of public transit for many individuals, however, contributing to congestion and emissions. Beyond land-based options, air travel has revolutionized long-distance connectivity. Jet aircraft have shrunk the world, allowing people to traverse continents within hours, fostering international business and tourism on an unprecedented scale. Despite its speed, air transport is a significant contributor to carbon footprints and often involves complex logistical operations at bustling airports. Maritime shipping, conversely, remains the backbone of global trade, efficiently transporting vast quantities of goods across oceans. Though slower than air freight, it's considerably more cost-effective for bulky items and plays a crucial role in supply chains worldwide. The sheer scale of container ships and port infrastructure highlights its importance to the international economy. However, transportation isn't uniform globally. Accessibility and affordability vary drastically depending on economic development and geographical location. In many developing nations, basic infrastructure like paved roads is lacking, limiting access to essential services and markets. Public transport systems may be overcrowded or unreliable, forcing reliance on informal options like motorcycles or shared taxis. Conversely, developed countries often boast extensive, well-maintained networks but grapple with issues of urban sprawl and the environmental impact of widespread car ownership. This disparity underscores the link between transportation infrastructure and socio-economic progress. Looking towards the future, innovation is driving a shift towards more sustainable and efficient modes of transport. Electric vehicles, EVs, are gaining traction as governments incentivize their adoption to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. High-speed rail projects aim to provide faster and greener alternatives to air travel, while advancements in autonomous vehicle technology promise increased safety and optimized traffic flow. Furthermore, the development of hyperloop systems, utilizing pods traveling through near-vacuum tubes, represents a potentially transformative leap in long-distance ground transportation, though significant challenges remain regarding cost and implementation. Ultimately, the future of transportation hinges on balancing economic viability with environmental responsibility and social equity. Investing in robust public transit networks, promoting alternative fuels, and embracing technological advancements are crucial steps towards creating a more connected and sustainable world. The ongoing evolution of transport systems will not only shape how we move people and goods, but also profoundly impact urban planning, resource consumption, and the overall quality of life for generations to come. Questions. 1. According to the passage, what is a primary disadvantage of relying heavily on personal vehicles? A. They are too expensive for most people. B. They contribute to congestion and emissions. C. They are less convenient than public transit. D. They require extensive maintenance. 2. The passage states that maritime shipping is particularly important for A. Rapid delivery of small, high-value goods. B. Transporting large quantities of goods across oceans. C. Short-distance travel within continents. D. Luxury passenger transport. 3. What does the author mean by stating that transportation isn't uniform globally? A. Different countries have different rules for driving. B. Access to and quality of transportation options vary significantly based on economic factors. C. Some modes of transport are more popular in certain regions than others. D. The cost of travel is the same everywhere. 4. The passage highlights high-speed rail projects as a potential solution for A. Reducing congestion in urban areas. B. Providing a greener alternative to air travel. C. Improving access to transportation in developing nations. D. Lowering the cost of maritime shipping. 5. What is meant by socio-economic progress as it relates to transportation infrastructure? A. The increase in tourism revenue due to better transport links. B. The overall improvement in a society's wealth and well-being, often linked to access to services and markets facilitated by good transport systems. C. The development of new technologies related to vehicle manufacturing. D. The reduction in traffic accidents caused by improved road safety. 6. What is a Hyperloop system described as being? A. A type of electric bus designed for long-distance travel. B. An advanced form of railway using magnetic levitation. C. A potentially transformative ground transportation method utilizing pods in near-vacuum tubes. D. A network of automated shipping containers. 7. The author uses the phrase, "shrunk the world," when discussing air travel. What does this imply? A. Air travel has made the planet physically smaller. B. Air travel has reduced the perceived distance between locations, making international connections easier and faster. C. Air travel has led to a decrease in global population density. D. Air travel has simplified international trade regulations. 8. What is identified as a crucial step towards creating a more sustainable world regarding transportation? A. Focusing solely on the development of autonomous vehicles. B. Investing in robust public transit networks and promoting alternative fuels. C. Eliminating all forms of air travel. D. Prioritizing road construction over rail infrastructure.